Hey, if your website isn't getting traffic or not ranking on Google, there's usually a reason behind it. Hi, I am Saurav. I work in SEO and I have been helping optimize different websites, mainly focusing on things like on-page SEO, technical issues, and overall site improvements. In most cases, I see small problems like poor meta tags, weak structure, or missing optimization that actually hold website back. That's where I usually step in and help improve websites step by step. But if your goal is to improve your rankings and get better organic traffic, I can definitely support you with that. Feel free to send me a message and we can take a quick look at your website. Thank you.